Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your name on the VK app. This is useful if you want to update your profile with a new name or correct any errors. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, at the top right corner, tap on the three dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. In the Settings section, look for Manage Account and tap on it. After that, click on My Information, which is located at the top of the screen. In this section, you will see a field labeled Name, where you can enter your new name. Finally, after entering your new name, make sure to click on Save Changes. This will update your VK profile with the name you have chosen. Your friends and contacts will now see your updated name whenever they visit your profile. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.